Okay, all of you, good morning. Today we have to learn the fourth chapter. See, environmental management. What is environment? See, environment means our surrounding. See, we are saying environment. We are living a different environment. See, in this environment management, we have to learn today. See what said here before starting, so many questions also given. Again, food chain also given. See, we have to see the here grass is a grasshopper feeding on the grass, means grasshopper eating the grass, and frog, it is a taking the food substances as grasshopper. Snake, it is a depend on frog, and vulture depend on snake, and it is a when it die the vulture, and it will be from the microbes. We are calling the it is a mushrooms, it is a microbes. See, each organism is a depend on the another organisms. For example, we have to see the grass. Grass is a producer. Grass is a taking the from atmosphere sunlight is a taking, and from atmosphere to carbon dioxide, and through root the water, and it will be prepare the their own food substances. That's why this grasshopper we are calling the producers. Grasshopper is a producers. See, this producers. We are talking the autotrophs also. This grasshopper. See, grass. Next we have to see the grasshopper. Grasshopper is a sucking the juice of grass. See, it is a consumers. See, we are calling the consumers. Consumers means grasshopper doesn't prepare their own food. It is a grasshopper depend on the grass. Next we have to see the frog. Frog also consumer. Frog is a depend on the grasshopper. See this like grasshopper per. It is also consumers. Next we have to see the snake. Snake also it is a type of consumers. Next vulture. Vulture also a type of consumers. Vulture is a depend on the snake. We are calling the it is a these are a consumers, heterotrophs. They does not prepare their own food. We are calling the these are a consumers. When die the vulture, what will happen? The vulture is decomposed in the presence of microbes. See, this is a mushroom. Now we have to call the it is a producers is there producing autotrophs. It is a heterotrophs. See, we are calling the this grasshopper per primary consumers. See, primary consumers. And this frog fur, we are calling the secondary consumers. Grass fur secondary consumers. Next snake. Snake also consumer is there, tertiary consumers. See, again vulture is there here. We have to see the vulture. Vulture is feeding on the snake. See, it is a vulture is a quaternary consumers. See, vulture is a quaternary consumers. Next, mushrooms. Mushrooms is a decomposers. It is a decomposing the material or dead body organisms, plants, animals. See this like a animal, one animal depend on the another animal. See, we are calling this is a food chain. Food chain. See, each organism depend on the another organisms. See, we are calling this is a food chain. Food chain has a linear manner. Food chain has a linear manner. Next, we have to learn the food web also. Okay. See, we have to it is a completed. So it is a food chain. See, before starting, see here so many questions is arising in your notebook. What is ecosystem? What is ecosystem? First question. Can you recall? So it is the first question is there. We have to learn the first questions. What said? What is ecosystem? What is ecosystem? Interaction between. See, first answer. Interaction between biotic and abiotic components. Interaction between abiotic and biotic components. Biotic and abiotic components. See, we are calling the are factors. See, we have to write the factors also. Biotic, abiotic factors. Next, same question. What said? What is its different component? See, we have to see the two types of components is there. One is a biotic and another one is a abiotic components. So it is a two types of component. See, one is a biotic, abiotic and biotic components. Biotic and abiotic components. See, what is biotic? Biotic is like a sun is there, air, water, sand, soil. See, these are a abiotic component, etc. Next, biotic component means is a living things. That is cat, dog. See, we have to write the animals and plants. Animals and plants, microbes. These are a biotic and abiotic component. So it is a biotic and abiotic components. Okay, see this like biotic and abiotic components is there. Biotic and abiotic components. Okay. Next, we have to learn second question. Okay, second question. What are the types of consumers and what are the criteria for their classification? See, what are the consumers? Consumers means it is a which are the types of consumers. See, consumers is a three types is there. Consumers is a three types. consumers is three types. What are they? See, primary consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and third one is a tertiary consumers. Okay, primary consumers. Primary consumers is a first consumers. So it is like a grasshopper, deer, cow, buffalo. See this like these animals is a primary consumers. It is a directly eating the producers. We are calling the primary consumers. Okay. Next secondary consumers. Secondary consumers is a feeding on the primary consumers. We have to see the secondary consumers like a lion, tiger, cheetah. See these are a secondary consumers. Next we have to see the tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers is a human being. So it is a eating the plant product and animal product. Tertiary consumers, it is a cat, dog. See these are a tertiary consumers. Okay. See this is a second one. Next what said? What are the criteria for classification? Next we have to see the classification. See we have to show the this classification. Producers. See pyramid. We have to see learn the pyramid is the pyramid. We have to see the this like. This concept is there. Okay. Next, here what said? What are the criteria? See like a pyramid. Producers, consumers. See this like. Okay. See this is a producers. Next, primary consumers. Primary consumers. Next, secondary consumers. See this like showing the pyramid. See we are calling the this one pyramid. So this is a primary, secondary, tertiary consumers. Next, what may be the relation between the lake and bird on the trees? Okay. See here, what are the relationship between the lake, tree and bird? See here relation is there. See we have to see the on the tree. Okay. Okay. This is a tree. Here is a lake is there. Lake. Next, number of plant. It is a what do you call it? Birds. Birds is there. Here birds is there. See this like birds. Okay. This birds is a feeding. In the lake, it is a fishes is there. Fishes. Okay. Fishes. Okay. See this plant is giving to the shelter to them. Shelter to them. What will happen? In the bird the stomach, it is when getting the hunger pangs in their stomach. What will happen? They have to eat or consume some substance. They are it is a searching the food here lake and take fish eating. Means it is a relationship, it is there, tree, lake and bird. It is a relationship is there. Means it is a, if a planting the more trees, number of birds is a getting the shelter there. Okay, they are consuming the fishes, they are controlling the population, and see this like a relationship is there. What is the difference between food chain and food web? Okay, a good question is there. Food chain. Food chain is a linear manner is there. I have to write here. Okay, food chain. Food chain is linear manner. Linear manner. Means it is a straight. So it is a grass is there. Grass. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Okay. Frog. Okay. This like grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. See this like linear manner is there. Food chain. But food web is a different. Food web is a different is there. Means interconnected is there. Interconnected. For example, food web. Food web is a interconnected is there. Grass. For example, we have to write here. Okay. Food web. Food web. See here is a grass is there. Grass. Grass for grass consuming the rat. Okay. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Next, grasshopper to frog or fish. Fish. There to snake. Okay. Now, next we have to see the mice. Okay. Here is a eagle. See, rat for eating the eagle also. Next, it is a snake is a eating mice, and here is a directly mice to eagle. Next, snake. See this like interconnected relationship is there. See directly eagle eating the fishes also. See here is a interconnected between the two or more, see, chains. So it is a number of chains is there. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So it is a number of chains is there here. But in a food web, only food chain only one is there. One chain linear manner is there. But here is a interconnected between one organism to another organism. Next what said? Ecosystem review. See this like number of questions is there. Ecosystem review also. Now only I explained this one. Next question is there. Can you recall? So it is the same is there. Next, which are different trophic level in food chain? 3 trophic levels is there. One is a producers, consumers and decomposers. First one, producers. Next, consumers. Next, third one is a decomposers. Say it is a question number 1. Can you recall? Second one. Which are the different trophic level in food chain? Producers, consumers, decomposers. What is energy? Okay. So it is a, this question is a energy. We are getting the energy. We are getting the energy from food. Okay. Listen here. What is energy? See, what is the unit of energy? Joule. Okay. Energy we are getting from our food substances. Without energy, we can't do any work. We can't teach. We can't listen. We can't work. So it is so many works in the presence of energy only. Without energy, we can't do any work. What said here? So it is a energy. For example, producers is a okay, this is a producer. Producers. Next, we have to learn consumers. Consumers. Next, decomposers. Decomposers. Okay. Consumers. Consumers is a consuming the 1000 joule energy. It's a preparing the food substances. Food is a preparing, and it is a consuming the 1000 joules energy is a producing in producers. See here, consumers is a getting the 100 joule energy. 100 joules. Decomposers, it is a 10 joules. See this like 1000. See when it is a moving upward, when moving the upward, see producers, consumers, decomposers, what will happen? Energy level is a decreasing. Energy level is a decreasing. See when moving producer to consumers, see it is a decomposers, see it is a energy level is a decreasing. See here two questions is a completed. Next we have to see the flow chart also is there. We will learn in next lesson. Next.